Tamara Lich. And as a litigation and human rights lawyer, I can't imagine what you would have to say about this. I have to ask, as somebody who doesn't have that kind of inside knowledge of how our legal system works, how can they justify this?
Well, I hate to pop any delusions you may have about our judicial system, but essentially, when there is a conflict between politics and the black letter of the law, politics always wins. The bail judgments rendered by the old JP, he speaks of her constituting a threat to the governments of Canada and a danger, and indeed in justifying some of those ridiculous conditions. For example, she was banished from the province of Ontario. I mean, that's something out of Shrek, for God's sake. It's so antediluvian. When humans are denied their human rights, they are essentially animals, really. And indeed, that's the problem here, is that Trudeau and the judiciary here are treating Canadians like animals, and they're acting like animals, being so totalitarian. And so, indeed, Tamara never left jail, except physically, when they bring these superfluous, ridiculous charges before a jury and a judge that they'll probably end up dismissed. In fact, that's the tactic of the system. They charge you with bogus charges, and then at the courtroom door, the day before trial, after they persecuted you, jailed you, shackled you in public, humiliated you, frozen essentially your social being, they'll just drop the charges. So at the end of the day, Trudeau's fascism, Trudeau's militant, totalitarian, authoritarian, choose a word, ways are infecting our courts and our judicial system.